How to recover password on BeReal account. To recover your password on BeReal account, you need to use the forgot password option on the login screen if it's available. Now, I'm going to open up my BeReal application, and this is how the interface is going to look. So basically, there's no way you could go ahead and log in or either recover your password. So all you have to do is provide your registered phone number, and then you need to click on send verification text. You need to make sure that the phone number you have provided is active and that you are able to receive the SMS. So at the bottom, you could find the timer, which indicates that within this time, a verification code is going to be sent and you'll be logged into your account, and there's no need or there's no option in order to recover a password on BeReal. So all you have to do is just enter in your phone number that's registered and type in the confirmation code or verification code, and you'll be able to see this sort of message. So make sure to click on the allow button, click the continue button, and you'll have successfully logged into your account. So this way you'll be able to recover password on BeReal account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.